In this section, we are going to create an alert based on something. So if we already look, we are running a virtual machine. Now we are going to create an alert based on this virtual machine. In the real life, you will be creating alerts. You will be attaching some sort of automation with the alerts. And the one that we are going to do is very simple. So first of all, you need to monitor this machine before you can trigger or before an event is being triggered. So what we need to do, you come here and search for monitor. An alert is a trigger. So if you come to the monitor, there are logs like activity logs. These are like control plane logs you have. Then this is where you have the alerts. Okay. Until now, no alert has been created. So let's create an alert rule. Now you need to select the scope. The scope is a virtual machine, the machine that we are running. That will be our scope. So let's come here. This is the resource group where we are running the machine. And if you look at here, this is the virtual machine that we will select. Apply. Okay, so we have selected the resource on which the alert will be created. Now we need a condition. So these conditions are often called signals. So you see here, it says select a signal. So click here. Now usually it will be based on percentage CPU or disks operation, a lot of things, but it will be very hard for us to generate an alert and with the percentage CPU. We'll need to log into the machine. We need to run some sort of operations so that the CPU percentage goes above. There are softwares that you can download, okay, for that one. However, we are looking for something like network. Select all signals. We want something easy. Network in total, okay, because we will be logging into the machine and we will be performing some operations on the machine. So network in total, apply. You can select network out as well. Log into the machine and do something outside the machine that will do. Okay, now dynamic, don't select dynamic, then you don't have control over it. So static, so let's say 1 byte. It's super easy, right? You like 1 byte of data is nothing. So if the threshold goes above 1 byte, you will get an alert. Yeah, we'll put it as total. See the time as well. Check every 1 minute. Okay. Yep. Then go to the next action. Now you have selected a condition. You have selected the resource where the alert will be sent. The alert has to be sent to someone, right? So you need to select an action group for that one. But ask yourself, did you create an action group? No. So once you create an action group, you can select an action group from there. So create an action group. So we will see actually what are the things that we have in the action group. Again, the resource group, the location, give any name, okay. Okay. Notification type, it will be email or messages and email. So this is what is the action group, like what happens if the condition is being triggered. Okay, so it will send an email. I'll just put my email address. you can do more, but I'll just put an email address. Oh, yeah, next. Okay, let me have a look. I didn't save that one, did I? No. Okay. Give it a name, that's fine. Just give it a name. The email is there. Operation. Next. Okay, if you want to attach some sort of automation along with this alert as well. For example, you have a piece of code that will shut down the machine or whatever. Okay, we are not going into those things. Okay, if you want to connect to the logic apps. Okay, next. Tag as usual. If you want to put, you put. Create. And you need to give some time to generate the alert. Specifically, the first alert takes a bit of time. Review and create. In the details, something is missing. Okay, I thought I put. Okay, now sorry. In the details, I think I missed the details. So in the details, if you look at here very carefully, when this alert will be triggered, what kind of alert is this one? Is it something really dangerous? Is it something like an information, or is it something like an error? So you need to select here what type of alert. Now the one that I selected is nothing, right? It's like an information. Just give information, give the name. Okay, net info, whatever you want you can put here. If you want to describe something, of course in the real life you need to write everything so that people they understand. Review and create. We will have to wait until the alert is fired here. It will take. Okay, and meanwhile just try to log in to the machine as well, or you can do these things as well. This should be fine if the IP address is still there. Yep, that's fine. Yep. Now I will have to log into my email and see whether it is there or not. Now if you look at here, the alert was triggered, and also you can check here as well. The alert was triggered. So if you look at here, it is fired, means the alert was triggered. Now yeah, you got an alert. If you come to the metrics, also you will be able to see more on those resources. Like it doesn't have to be always you need to trigger an alert, but if you want to see something related to this one, you can come here, and whatever you want for this particular machine you can select. There are a lot of things. Okay, so you can select from here. Okay, and you will be able to see. Even if you go to the virtual machines, there will be a section for monitoring as well. So if you look at here, there is a section for monitoring as well. You can see from here related to monitor. So you can dig deep into this monitor.